Films that last have a special magic. Many of Universal's recent movies deserve to be called classics. The most popular motion picture of all time is the story of two friends from two different worlds. It's Steven Spielberg's beloved E.T.
It's a sweet journey. The ride's a sweet journey.
I like the transition between this world and E.T.'s world.
E.T. is like the Wizard of Oz.
The story continues in E.T.'s adventure.
Hi, I'm Steven Spielberg, and welcome to the E.T. adventure. E.T., as you know, was marooned here on Earth 3 million light years from home. And now he needs your help. You see, a big problem has developed on E.T.'s home world, the Green Planet. So, E.T.'s teacher, Botanicus, delivered a message from the Green Planet. E.T., come home.
Hide E.T. from the scientists who seek him. Bring him in a spaceship or carry him on your bikes. But bring him home.
Bravo. Yeah, E.T. must go home, and only you can help him.
E.T., help us.
Ready.
Yep, ready. Good luck, everyone.
They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
David 10999.
Hey! Go! Hurry, get him!
Fly home.
E.T., go to Tikri. Hurry.